My dear friends, welcome to Dr. SSV YouTube channel. Today's video is Doctor the Human. That brutal act of burial denial to martyr doctors crushed my heart, which has led me to bring out a video of this sort, pleading the public to look into this and stop it at once. With a heavy heart and bloody tears in my eyes, I am before you to bring a change in the attitude of people to uplift the humanity. My dear friends, it's a well-known fact that doctors are at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19 nowadays. The skills and the spirit of service in doctors keep them in a unique position while saving people from this disease. It is really upsetting to know the doctors who are fighting corona pandemic to save the precious lives of a nation were denied dignity in their last rites. Really upsetting. The heroic doctors who denied dignity in their last rites, this has not happened once, it has happened 3 times of late. Dr. Lakshminarayan Reddy from Nellore is an orthopedic surgeon, and Dr. Simon Chennai from Chennai, who is a neurosurgeon, and another from Meghalaya. These 3 doctors, they lost their precious lives while fighting against the corona. These stalwarts who left to heavenly abode unceremoniously, without paying due respects in the burial ground. Let us mourn their death and pray for their souls to rest in peace. Please, my dear friends. As a doctor, even today I am working, risking our lives after knowing all this nonsense. Like soldiers, doctors always risk their lives for the sake of health and life of the society. Entering into this field, medical profession, every doctor knows that one day or other they will be risking their lives. Courage and compassion are doctors' weapons. We work with bacteria, we work with viruses, and you know pretty well that tuberculosis is most contagious disease which is there in the human society in India. We are dwelling in a pool of bacteria of tuberculosis, the tuberculous bacillus. HIV, hepatitis, HBsAg and HCV, all these are most dreadful viruses and bacteria. So to save the lives, to give the alleviation of the suffering to the public, we always work like this, like soldiers at the borders. So when it comes to the Dr. Lakshmi Narayana, who died in Apollo Hospital at Chennai, he was denied the burial at 2 burial grounds, and he was left by the people who have taken them to the burial ground, and because of the misdeeds of the people over there, the public. So finally, after the repeated request, the government there, they have taken the body of the Lakshminarayan Reddy, and they have done the last rituals in a 3rd burial ground at Ambattur. This is really heartening, and it is really painful to any doctor or any human being for that matter. And the second doctor who has lost his precious life is Dr. Simon actually, who died in Chennai as a neurosurgeon. He operated on some patient, so he died in that particular incident, and after getting this corona, and when he was shifted to burial ground, there was a 200 people of unruly mob who attacked on the ambulance and on the people, and so they gone back to the hospital and they got the first aid done with the help of the police. They have gone back, and one of his close friends, orthopedic surgeon Dr. Pradeep Kumar, who was there at that particular time, he has done the whole of the act of burial by using the shovel and taking the everything into the burial ground, and he actually finally did the whole thing on his own. So see, this is the thing which has happened to Dr. Simon, who has led a noble life in his noble profession, which we will never allow it to happen to anybody else. So likewise, the Meghalaya doctor also was denied such a last ritual when he was taken to the burial ground. So like this, actually, so many people are dying across the world, but for the doctors the number would have been more actually. So I am really requesting all the public not to do this again, because every person like their own work, what they are doing, and more so the doctors, as their universal classical medical teaching and Hippocratic oath that injects into them the very purpose of their life to save the humankind from their suffering. So the psycho attacks on doctors is akin to terrorist attacks on the innocent people. Such behavior is against nation's best interests, especially in a time of deadly corona pandemic. The inhuman brutal attacks on the doctors while they are alive and while cremation after their death is really condemnable. Nowhere in the world we come across such nasty practices except in Vedic land Bharata Bhumi, where doctors are well compared to Lord Narayana in the form of Vaidyo Narayano Hari. It is like praising women and all the time and atrocities on them all the time. So we see this. So that means that we are losing our roots, very roots in the culture, and attracted to temporary materialistic things in the name of civilization and globalization. And we never practice what we preach. That's where we are going wrong. So now the government ought to bring out an ordinance to punish the miscreants and should take stringent measures to stop such violence on noble professionals. These people should realize that what goes around comes around. One day you are going to be punished heavily for these misdeeds you are practicing now. So my dear friends, see that these things are condemned by the people and by the government, and let it not happen again to the noble professionals. Let us pray for the noble souls rest in peace. Thank you very much.